Isn't it strange how no one carries more stress than those who know their potential but still live like they're worthless? It's not failure that breaks you. It's knowing exactly what you could do and choosing to do nothing. These people aren't confused. They've seen proof of their abilities. They know what they're capable of, but they wake up every day and waste it. The worst part? They're completely aware they're betraying themselves. They watch themselves make the wrong choice every time. They see the opportunity, feel the fear, and choose comfort. Every day is another betrayal of who they could be. The real pain isn't from failing. It's from never trying, from betraying your own potential day after day. You're living beneath who you're meant to be. And that knowledge eats at you more than any criticism ever could. Stop wasting what you were given. Start living like you believe in yourself.